Yo and good morning YouTube. Welcome to my fifth video of stable release 1.1 version 1.3 Koreans with many fixes and improvements over the previous version Japanese, which would I describe as feature rich but not so convenient to use. First of all, it had some bad selection work. It had flashy blue whenever user selections, and it was in very fast motion as well for some question marks when they are moving to show all the placement of items in like trading section, trading two vertical bars. I will show you. Now where we can get that release, we need to go to FOnline2 forum. We need browser for that. We type FOnline2 forum. We go to FOnline2 forum, we go to tasks, we go to FOnline2 interface editor. There is one made by Vodka, I showed that in previous videos, and it looks like he stole development of this. Still, I think it's good. It's better to have more software than just one. And I appreciate his work because it helped me somewhat to understand my work. Mine is over here, and the way it works in OpenGL and OpenGL rendering interface, that's how the module works. And we can download the latest version from Mediafire or go to source repository and download from releases. It's more convenient to download from releases. You have changelog as well. And I will click save link, but not save it because I already have it and moved it to other directory. So once we get the binary, why this happens? Documents. I will show you quickly how his editor from Vodka looks like. It's written in C#, mine in Java, but we will navigate and open my latest interface in FOnline2. Art blue, for instance, blue variant, and there we go. Some drawbacks are lacking FRM. Apparently OpenGL is very demanding for resources and harder to implement. Therefore, I can understand why he left it to look like this. And we cannot choose resolution. So that's two drawbacks. We don't have FRMs, we cannot choose resolution. We have only one resolution, Ultra HD. That's 4K resolution. Let's go to Koreans. and launch it. And first there are two ways of loading the ini. We will use standard way through the buttons. We go to input there and we go to documents, graphite 2.1, and we can choose blue, green, red, white because it comes whereas I choose blue. It will automatically recognize. We don't have to navigate this to the ini directly. It has some built-in like querying where the ini files are. And we choose to load it. I will need to show you changelog, which is over here. No, my bad. Over here. What are the changelog? We'll go slowly over it. But for now we have fixed crashes of chosen and pop-up menu set to no display. So we will not have any modules displayed, but we will be able to edit it. Instead of just being null pointers, exceptions, and crashing. Fixes some crashes of edit feature value. When we edit a feature, because feature is composed of tool, feature key of some section, and some feature value like the rectangle, top left, bottom right, or some array or some value. Those kind of things are fixed. Fix missing components for price settlement ground pickup. That's how it's fixed there. I introduced some unique IDs because they could have same names and therefore causing them to not be present. There's just some implementation note. Showing hint text when mouse cursor is covered over and control is pressed. This is definitely an improvement, so we don't have to guess anymore which is the component I'm looking at, I want to select, or I want to work with. I will know that instantly. The reworked shader for component selection will be less stressful for the eyes. Before it was some blue flashing very fast motion, now it's cyan and it's less stressful for the eyes. Dark cyan, it's less stressful for the eyes. Reworked question mark with changing locations, it makes it to be less stressful for the eyes. This is also a fix. Alright, we can resize this like this and choose load, and it automatically builds the module, the first module, section. Section is composed of feature keys, and each feature keys has its on the right side. I will quickly explain it once again. Go to documents, we go to graphite, we go to art blue, we go to interface, we go to default.ini for instance. On the left side is feature key, on the right side of the equation is feature value. In this case, it's rectangular. Top left by first two and bottom right by last two values. So what was going on with crashes of chosen pop-up menu? But simply if we choose not this one, let's wait, chosen, we were never able to select this one without crashing it. But now we actually can. We can edit the value. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Chosen and pop up. Carefully pop up. Now we can change these values. Change the pictures of those. But we don't have display, which is perfectly understandable considering this use some general pattern for building all the modules, unlike in the game, but pretty close. Now we have hint text. Let's go to some like price setup and I will show you how it looks like. Hint text is when I go with cursor and press Ctrl. And first I need to click on it. Yes, to change focus. I clicked on this module. And when I press Ctrl, it's gonna show me what the component is. When I hold Ctrl and move around, it's gonna change and show me what I'm pointing at. When I press Ctrl A, it's gonna select it. Ctrl D, deselect it. Ctrl is gonna say which again it is, which feature it is. Ctrl A, select. Ctrl D, deselect. And I can, instead of, if I want to find certain feature, I can say PS cancel. I can type it over here, PS cancel, and I can do whatever I want with it. This position is not the same as this one. This is just position like in GIMP from 0, 0, axis is down, and axis is right. That's how it works with components over here. I told you there are unique IDs to prevent confusion with selection. That's how I decided to implement it. What else? I told for selection shader. Before I will show you a name. On this section, this used to be very nasty blue thing. Now it's not longer the thing anymore. Yeah, it's more pleasant for the eyes this way. The next thing would be fast moving question marks. Like you go to barter. This used to be very fast. Very fast. Now, even if we, yeah. What else there is? Now we covered all the changelog for Koreans. You can find me on Discord as Ermac131844. If you are confused how to use it, you can still take a look at previous videos. And I wish you all good health and best luck, and see you in next video, or see you later.